Hello dear children, lesson number 10, Shelter, its variety. For 4th standard, already have begun this chapter. Some of the children have gathered together and they have went for educational clip. In this chapter, you are going to learn construction of houses from time to time, difference between the houses in urban and the rural area. Okay? Next, multi-storied buildings and slum of urban areas. Find out the variety in habitats and shelter of animals, dear. After this name of chapter, we always comes a question, why do we need a house? Okay, why do we need? Human beings need shelter to protect themselves from what all, dear? That is rain, that might be wind, sun, animals, many more. Now, why do we need shelter? As I have told you, we need shelter to protect ourselves from what, dear children? Rain, cold, sun, winds, animal, etc. Okay. So, the houses of different part of the states, the houses of their region. See, different part of the states have different houses in their different regions. Okay. So, what you come to know? Today we are going to learn in different states which kind of houses are there. So let's see in educational clip of Dharwad. First girl comes who is talking here. I am Sangeeta. I have come from Javeg area Taluk, Kalburgi district. So that girl from where she have come? She have come from Javeri Taluk, Kalburgi district. Okay. Now she is talking about her place. How her place is? It's very hot. Why it is hot? Because of scanty rainfall. What she's telling? Her place is very hot. Okay. What is meaning of scanty rainfall? The term scanty rainfall means very less or low rainfall. See, where there is low rainfall, definitely the temperature will be very hot. Okay, dear children. Now, you have come to know meaning of scanty rainfall also. Scanty rainfall means what, dear? Where rain is less. So here people what they use? They use different kinds of stones, that is shahabad stones, and you are also going to find stone slab. Now what is meaning of a stone slab, dear? A stone slab is a big stone, flat and tile, little thickness. Okay, sorry dear, it's little thickness, generally for paving the floors, for covering the walls. Why we need this kind of stones? For paving or covering the paving floors or for covering the walls, dear. Okay. Now where we have come? We have come for Chikmagalur. How in houses are built in Chikmagalur? We are going to learn that. So who have come here now from Chikmagalur? That is John. See, I am John. I am from Koppa, Chikmagalur district. So he is a boy, John. He have come from Chikmagalur district. So how his place is? Rainfall is very heavy in our place. What he is telling? There is a heavy rain. So what he is telling? There is a heavy rainfall. People build the walls with bricks or mud. How they build? They use the bricks. Okay. The roof is thatched with hay. What is meaning of hay? Hay is nothing else than dry grass. You can see in your mobile screen too, dear, how the dry grass will be. Okay, dear. So let's see the next page. See, what is meaning of thatched roof? Thatched roof is nothing else than a material as a straw, rushes, leaves or like used to cover roofs. In short, this is again dry grass which is being covered to use entire roof which can protect themselves. Okay, dear children? So, once in 4 to 5 years, they change the entire hay roof. What do you mean by this? It is not permanent. In 4 to 5 years, once we have to change the roof. So, some people used hard red bricks to build walls and make the slopy roof with tiles. Why they make a slopy roof? Because of heavy rainfall, the water should be floated. And why have you seen red bricks already? Red bricks they use for what? To build the walls. It's a commonly used brick. Okay, dear? Now where we have come? We have come to Bangalore. How they construct house? We are going to learn. I am Hasina from Bangalore. The girl name is what, dear? Hasina, and she is from Bangalore. Nowadays, people are constructing house one above the other. These are called multi-storied buildings. See dear, there is no sufficient place. So what people have started? Multi-storied buildings where many families stay together. How multi-story buildings are there? You can see on your mobile screen. These are the multi-story buildings. Okay. So burnt bricks or bricks made up of cement and steel rods are used for the construction. See what they use? Burnt bricks or bricks made up of cement and steel rods they are used. Because it's a heavy building, many people stay together, we have to give a good base. And flooring is done with colorful tiles or marbles, as you can see on screen also. To make attractive, they use such kind of marbles or the tiles for the purpose of flooring. There is a facility of staircase along with the lift. You can see there are many divisions, many kinds of this. So definitely there should be staircase, and lift is mostly used by the oftenly we use it because we can't do up and down by the staircase. If there is a aged person, they need the lift. So the lift facility is a compulsory given in multi-story buildings. Okay, dear. To construct such multi-store buildings, huge machines such as crane and mixers are needed. Okay, dear. To construct such building, what we need? Crane and mixer. Now, the next question what comes? What is meaning of crane? So what the next I have asked you? Meaning of crane. A large, tall machine used for moving heavy objects. It's a heavy construction, so we always move heavy objects. So we need such kind of the things. Okay. Thank you.